In this video tutorial, we are going to discuss one of the properties of perfect squares or square numbers. We have two tables here and each table has two columns. In the first column, we have numbers, and in the second column, we have their squares, their respective squares. So the square of 1 is 1, of 2 is 4, of 3 is 9, so on and so forth. And same thing is here. Of 11 is 121, of 12 is 144, so on and so forth. Now, what we are going to discuss is, the property is that every perfect square or square number, will end with either 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. That is, at the units place of a perfect square, of any perfect square, if you take any perfect square, the perfect squares will end with either 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. They will not end with 2, 3, then 7 and 8. At their units place, you will not find these digits. That is, they will not end with these digits. Like, let's discuss here. So we have two tables. Now look very properly. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. You have 1 at the units place. These three are single digit numbers, so they have only units place. So they have 1, they have 4, they have 9, they have then 6, they have 5. It has 5, 6, 9, 4, 1, 0. Like nowhere we have found 2, 3, then 7 or 8. Same thing here. 1 at the units place, we have 4 at the units place, we have 9 at the units place, we have 6 at the units place. 5, 6, 9, 4, 1, 0. Nowhere you have found 2, 3, 7 or 8. If you want to see one more table, so from 21 to 30, again 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1, and here we have 0. Again, nowhere we have 2, 3, 7 or 8 at the units place. And that makes sense. Why? Suppose you have number like, let's say any number. You have 21, right? So if you have to find the square of this, 21 times 21. So the first number digit that you will multiply is at the units place, right? So 1 times 1 is 1 only. If it is 22, let's say. So if it's 22 times 22, the units place when you multiply it, you will get 4, right? There is no number which when squared with, like you multiply 2 times, you will not get 2, right? You will not get 2, because even if it is, let's say 1028, you have to find the square of it. So 1028 times 1028, 8 times 8 is what? Is 64. You got 4. So there are no such numbers when you multiply it with itself 2 times, you will not get 2, 3, 7 or 8 at the units place. And this is the property. So if someone asks you that whether 30187652, if someone asks you that can this number be a perfect square or square number of any number, the instant answer should be no. Just look at the units place and tell that no. Since this number contains 2, it has at its units place, it has the digit 2. So you should remember this list, that is 2, 3, 7 or 8 cannot be at the units place in the case of perfect square or square number. So this cannot be a perfect square number. Same thing, someone asks you that can you tell us that 10000896767, can this number be a perfect square or square number? First look at this digit units place and you we find 7, so instantly the answer should be no, this cannot be a perfect square or square number since this contains 7 at its units place. But if someone asks that can this number 2078965, can this number be, I'm again asking, can this number be a perfect square or square number? Then you cannot tell instantly, because it has now 5 at its units place, and you'll have to find out whether this is perfect square or square number or not. How to find out, we'll discuss in our later videos. So the property is, your perfect square or square number will have at its units place either 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. It will not have 2, 3, 7 or 8.